This is video 2. Today I'm going to be defining and exploring the relationship between productivity and economic growth, kind of explaining what the components of productivity are and how it relates to our economy growth. So first off, productivity is the measure of output each worker produces, and that is ultimately what drives our economy's growth. The output per worker equals the GDP per capita. Now to jump into the 4 components of productivity, we have physical capital, human capital, technological improvements, and natural resources. So first, physical capital, which is the stock of equipment and structures used to produce goods and services. As it increases, workers become more productive. So as they have more resources, physical capital, they're able to produce more. So an example of physical capital is like factories, machines, pipelines, cell phone towers, etc. Next, we have human capital, which is the set of skills, knowledge, experience, and talent that determine productivity. And it can be increased with education and healthcare. So as those things are offered, more people are willing to work and use their skills and provide more for the economy. Next, we have technological improvements. They're the innovations that cause the same inputs to produce more outputs. So it just makes things more efficient and allows us to produce more outputs with the same amount of physical capital. An example of that could be like an internet invention that makes things move faster. And then lastly, we have natural resources, which are the production of inputs that come from the earth. So we have renewable resources and non-renewable. Renewable is going to be trees and rivers, and then non-renewable is like our coal and oil. But overall, if our productivity increases from all 4 of these components, then our income per capita will ultimately increase, and then obviously that will grow our economy as a whole. So these are very important, and they play a huge role in growing our economy, because if we aren't productive, we won't grow as an economy.